Hi guys, what is going on and welcome to today's YouTube video. In today's video we will be doing Bitcoin and we will also be going over Atom. Okay, so both of these coins do have some interesting price action to look at right now. First of all, we're gonna go over Bitcoin, which is still pretty much the same as the previous update on Monday. We are still trading inside the boring ass range. There's nothing we can do about it except looking for quick scalps on altcoins as long as Bitcoin is in this range. We can see that right now Bitcoin has formed a higher low over here, but we are also forming another lower high compared to this one over there, which means Bitcoin is once again being compressed until we see a breakout. So we can maybe even see that we are forming some kind of a symmetrical triangle over here, and the price is being compressed until we finally see a breakout again. Okay, the bullish thing about this chart is all of these wicks that we are seeing at the lower side of these candles. Okay, so we are seeing massive amounts of wicks being created, but we aren't really seeing massive wicks at the top side of the range, which means there's still a lot of liquidity to be taken at the top side of the range. On top of that, we also still have not been taken out the buy side liquidity over there, and we also haven't taken out the relative equal highs over there, which means if we are looking at the chart currently, we can see that the most amount of liquidity for Bitcoin is definitely towards the upside, and we also know that the market makers are always trying to push the price towards the area where the most amount of liquidity is. If we start looking on lower time frames, we can also see that Bitcoin has swept Monday's low over here. Okay, the previous day low, I mean. That is a bullish sign. We still have not swept Monday's high. So we have swept the previous day low, but we haven't swept Monday's high, which is another indication of, an indication that the most amount of liquidity is definitely still towards the upside for Bitcoin. Okay. So Bitcoin is still looking very boring, not making any move yet. Yes, I am still in my long position that I'm holding since 18.5k, and I will continue to hold it long unless we get a clear breakdown below the key support area right here around 15.5k. This area over here is definitely the area where the most amount of demand is for Bitcoin, and as long as we don't get a clear breakdown below this demand area over here, I won't close my long position. Okay, so I'm still in a swing long position waiting for it to take out these relative equal highs and this buy side liquidity over here, and that's the point where I will take some profits. Okay, until then, be patient, don't force any trades, especially not on Bitcoin. Try to look for interesting trades on altcoins. Right here we do have Atom. If we zoom out some more on the daily time frame, we can see that Atom has been correcting heavily after a strong move towards the upside, but the bounce over here is pretty strong, so we might look for a potential long position. Okay, if we go on a monthly time frame, we can see that we have the monthly open above us, so that's no support at all. We do have the weekly open over here for Atom, so we have the weekly open on the daily time frame, 3-day time frame. Okay, on the daily time frame we do have a daily level of support over here. We have a daily level of support over here. So those are some interesting areas. We have the daily fair value gap fill over here. On the 4-hourly time frame, we can see that we had an accumulation area going on over here before we got the move towards the upside, and that accumulation zone over here has not been retested yet by the price, as we can see. So that is also the area where we are interested in a potential long, and it is being supported by the daily fair value gap close, the weekly open, and also the daily level of support. I also want to take a look at some Fibonacci retracement levels. Okay, so we have the golden pocket a little higher, so I want to move this box up a little bit because we know the golden pocket is the strongest Fibonacci level of support or resistance. Also, I want to take this swing low to this swing high over here. Oh, we can see that also the 0.382 is right here exactly at the same level as the golden pocket. And we have this golden pocket over here on top of the daily level. Okay, so this is actually becoming very interesting right now on Atom. Let's remove these from our chart, that level, also this level. Okay, so we have a strong area of support right here on Atom. I want to take a look at the moving averages over here. Okay, so we have the 50 moving average on the 4-hourly time frame. On the 1-hourly time frame, we also have the 200 moving average at the exact same area. So I think the setup right here on Atom is pretty clear. Wait for a retest of this entire block of support over here. You can enter two different long positions. You can enter a massive swing long over here, riding that one towards this imbalance fill over here, which offers us almost 3 RR. But I also want to take a look at an extra entry over here where we have the golden pocket on top of the bottom of the 4-hourly order block, on top of the daily level of support. So we have a second entry right here in case we go that low, and that would offer us a beautiful RR of approximately 13.6, guys. Okay, so we have two different entries that we can take, and combined they will have a very nice average entry price if both of them get hit. This could be a nice swing long setup for Atom. Okay, guys. Why? We have the untested accumulation area over here. It is being supported by the strongest Fibonacci retracement levels. We have two daily levels of support with the weekly open, daily fair value gap close. So it is looking really strong. And on top of that, we also have some moving averages supporting our view on Atom. So wait for further pullback. Enter the first long over there. And your second entry should be over here. If both of them get hit, you can get some insane profits if we see a strong bounce. Okay, guys. So this is definitely a valid scenario that I'm potentially looking at on Atom. Okay, guys. I think it's pretty clear. Be patient, wait for some quick trades on altcoins. Try not to touch Bitcoin as much unless we get a clear breakout out of this very choppy range. Until then, be patient and don't force any trades. Reserve your capital and wait for a clear breakout, because trading will get so much easier once we get the breakout. Okay, guys? Thank you for watching this YouTube video again. Make sure to smash up the like button. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also make sure to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and also make sure to join the open Discord and also the open Telegram group where I'm sharing free analysis every single day. Okay, guys? Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on Friday's video. Bye-bye.